Here's how to recover your Steam account without your password or email. Open your web browser, go to the Steam website, and click Login. Then select Help, I can't sign in, followed by I forgot my Steam account name or password. If you remember the email linked to your account, enter it and follow the verification process to reset your password. If you don't know the email address, select Search with my account name instead. Enter your Steam account name or the phone number linked to your account and search for your account. If you no longer have access to the registered email, click I no longer have access to this email address. Steam will ask you to complete an account recovery form. Enter a current email address that you can access, then provide the first email address you remember using with the account. If you've linked a phone number, include that as well. In the description box, explain that you've lost access to both your password and email. Include as much account information as possible, such as games you've purchased, payment methods you've used, or other details that prove you're the account owner. If available, upload receipts or proof of purchase to support your request. Submit the form and verify the code sent to your new email address. Steam support will review your request and usually respond within a few business days. That's all for this video. Thanks.